How to use Loom to screen record and me. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to record your screen and record yourself with your camera at the same time, you can easily do that online with Loom. You don't have to download any complicated application or have to set up some complicated recording studio. You can do it easily with Loom. Plus, Loom allows you some free online video editing tools as well as some amazing free transcription services. So combining all of that together, Loom can help you in generating amazing content, whether it be for any type of use case, educational, informational, for marketing purposes, for coding, and so much more. So to be able to use Loom, all you have to do is head on over to loom.com. Once you head on over to loom.com, click on Get Loom for free on the top right. Now, once you do that, you can sign up with your email address or continue with Google. So for ease, I'm just going to sign up with my Google account over here. And within a couple of seconds, you're ready to get started with Loom. So you guys can see I have the free plan on Loom currently. And you will see in your My Library section on the left panel, you will find all of your recorded videos. Then on your home section, you will have a basic introductory section, usually with some tutorials on how to get started. So you guys can see different use cases, such as recording a presentation, how to kick off a product or a project. You can also do, a status update with Loom and so much more. So below that, you have your notification section, a watch later section, a history, and a basic settings section. Now, if you click on settings, you have two types of settings, your personal and workspace. So you can click on your personal or workspace settings to further customize the views as well as integrate your Slack accounts into Loom to be able to share previews on Slack. Now, to get started with actually recording your video, simply click on Record a Video on the bottom left. Now, once you do this, this will open up your actual Loom recording section. You will see on the top right over here, you have the options of how you want to record. So we are looking to record our screen as well as ourselves. Now you guys can see on the bottom left, we have our circular camera, and I place a cover over my camera, but you guys can actually see, this is like the camera section. And we can choose the two settings. You can even only choose to record your camera or only choose to record your screen. Plus, even in your screen, you have multiple different options on Loom, which I love about Loom. So we're going to continue with screen and camera over here. Once you click on screen and camera, you have your recording settings. So if you go into recording settings over here, you can actually see what camera you want to use if you have multiple different devices connected, as well as what microphone you want to use if you have multiple different microphones attached. Then you have advanced options, which include a recording countdown. So if it should count down to 3 before it starts recording on Loom, or if it should start recording instantaneously. Now, once you have completed these settings, you can click on Start Recording, and now this will ask you what you want to record. So if you want to record your entire screen, if you want a separate window to be recorded, if you want a separate Chrome tab to be recorded only. Now, I want access to my entire screen because I want the entirety of my screen to be visible on my Loom recording. So I'm going to click on Share over here, and now we have our basic countdown, and this could be used for anything. It could be used for maybe a presentation. So I'll just record a random snippet of a presentation, let's say. So if we take a look at this presentation over here, we're giving a presentation, and so you guys can really record anything you want. And once you have completed your recording on Loom, you're going to click on this Finish Recording button on the bottom left. Now, if you open up a separate tab, it does move the recording button back into the original tab. So you do have to come back to this, but I'll show you guys how you can easily edit this cut out. So you're just going to click on Finish Recording on the bottom left. And once you complete your recording, you will see that Loom will actually generate your free transcript as well. So you guys can see on the top, you have your title. So let's say this is just sample, and this is going to be our title. Now below that, you can add a summary as well. So whatever you are teaching, so let's say I'm teaching how to use Loom like this, and then you can even add chapters on the bottom if your videos are longer, and then you have tags that you can add as well. Then you will have your viewers, so you can actually monitor your engagement with the videos that you are creating. Now, above that, you have some basic emoticons that people can use, a comment section, and even a record a comment section. So people can actually record their input. If you are sending this to a manager or a professor, they can actually tell you their input that they want improved. And then on the right, you actually have your editing features. So in your editing features, you have Loom AI, which is a premium tool that enables you to create titles, summaries, chapters, and even remove silences and filler words. So this can be a great tool when you are looking to just bulk edit your entire video, where you don't want any ums or ahs that you're doing in your presentation. You can help improve those as well. So you guys can see this is just like a random video, but after that, if you want to further edit your video by yourself, you have your basic trim and stitch option, which is usually the best to start editing. So if you are pausing your video at the end, going back to your original Loom tab, and you don't want to show that, you only want to end at your presentation, just go to the end over here and you can just split the video to that specific part and then just continue on over here and click on save, and it would be saved to only that part. Now you can also choose to remove only audio, as we did right now. And you can choose to remove the entire video clip or the audio as well. Now you even have the amazing option of editing with transcript, so you can click on edit with transcript over here, and once you click on edit with transcript, you can go on ahead and actually just enter guidelines according to transcript. So let's say I want to remove silences or remove filler words, and this is automatically going to do this. You can see the time actually went down by 2 seconds because I removed 2 seconds of silence. There were no filler words that were found in this video. However, 2 seconds of silence was removed. This actually helps you in improving a lot of your video quality, especially if you're building infographics, listicles, or science-based videos. It can be super helpful to have this tool on hand so you can make your videos a better quality. Now, once you have completed your editing, now other than this, you have further editing tools. You actually have your activity section to monitor all of the activity happening. Then you have your transcript that you can just copy, and if there are any mistakes, you can click on correct over here and you can correct to the actual word that you said. However, the transcripts that are generated with Loom are usually pretty great, so I don't really have to edit them often at all. And then we have our views section to see who has viewed this video, and then you have your basic settings if you want to mute any filler words with audio or with text and audio. Then you have your background noise filter, which can remove any unwanted background noise, as well as your blended player being removed, as well as a animated thumbnail. And then we're going to click on save on the bottom right, and we can get started with sharing this video. So you can click on the top right over here to share this video and enter any email, or you can import from Slack and Google as well. You even have social sharing options, as well as embedding this video into your blog or website with your responsive size embedding code. So you can just copy this code and insert it into your Shopify store, Wix website, Google site, or any other website. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with Loom to record your screen as well as yourself at the same time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.